In this video we are going to discuss about the other options available in the course of site administration. So in the previous video we have discussed how we can manage the courses and categories, and accordingly we created the category and also we created courses. So now we will see that you can see in the screen that there is a separate option also if you want to create only category or if you want to create only course. So there are two different options available here, or you can go with the manage courses and categories. So from here also you can create. So let us move to the next option, that is the course request. And the meaning of course request is that any teacher or administrator or who is the content creator can submit a request to this particular course. So in order to receive the request or enable the course request in the Moodle, we need to enable the course request option, which is by default given yes. And if this course is request is enabled, so the users with the capability of request to request new courses, and which will have the option to request a course. So this capability is not allowed for any of the default role. It may be applied in the system or category context. So here we can enable the option. Then default category of course request. So there are options. So by default it is miscellaneous. So I'm not going to change here, but this course requested by users with the capability of request new courses in the system context will be placed in this category unless users are able to select a different category. So by default all the courses will come under miscellaneous if it is not changed to. Then prevent category selection, by default it is no, and if you check this, if it is enabled, then users with the capability to request new course in the system context will not be able to select a category in the request a new course form. So the meaning is very clearly given here, and the alternative way of restricting user to requesting a new course in just one category is to apply the capability to request new course in the category context. So this we will see when we do it practically, how we can prevent category selection. Now the last option in the course request is course request notification. So whenever it is course is requested, so everyone who can approve course creation will be notified. Or if you want to give the privilege to any particular user who has the privilege of approving the course, so the notification will go to that particular user. So whoever users who will be notified when a course is requested, only users who can approve course request are listed here. So all the users will not be the part of this menu. Only those who have the privilege to approve so can approve the requested course. So this is all about the course request. In the next video we are going to see the other options available in course. So accordingly we will make changes, and next option is that pending request and upload courses, and pending request how we are going to approve it. All these we will see in the next video.